Hello, my name is Yurisoeida Pardo Guevara. The date is July 2020. The case name is Kodak case. Kodak, the famous company founded in 1888 and which for a long time was one of the most valuable brands in USA. In the Kodak problem tree, we have a main problem, some causes, and some consequences. The main problem is Kodak's failure when digitization revolutionized history. The first cause is bad decision by management organizations, by fear competing in new and unknown markets. The second cause is not accept big change, because not cope with changes over time. The third cause is the idea of focusing only on manufactured products, because use all resources in the production of cameras. The consequence, we have the first consequence, not part of 21st century digitations, because remaining as a traditional business model. The second consequence is bankruptcy of the Kodak company, because over 3,000 unemployed Kodak workers worldwide. And the last consequence is forgetting the brands, because lifelong shoppers are the lost. Thank you.